In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook page in 2025 step by step. This process is not only straightforward, but also an essential task for those looking to streamline their social media management under the unified Meta Business Suite. Let's dive right in. First, what's vital before we do anything is to make sure you've logged into the Meta Business Suite successfully. This platform is designed to help manage all your business pages under the Meta brand, offering powerful tools to handle both Facebook and Instagram properties in one place. Go ahead and ensure you've entered your credentials and you're correctly logged into the system. Once you're in, locate the gray Instagram circle on your dashboard. This is an important icon as it gives you access to the Get Started button, which is our gateway to connecting Instagram. Simply hover your mouse over this circle to reveal the button if it isn't immediately visible. Next, go ahead and click on Get Started. This action will initiate the process of connecting your Instagram account to the Meta Business Suite. By doing this, you're laying the groundwork for seamless management and cross-platform capabilities between Facebook and Instagram. At this point, you have two options. If you're looking to create a brand new Instagram account to incorporate into the suite, you can click on Create a New Instagram. This may be useful if you're starting from scratch or looking to establish a presence for a new brand. Alternatively, for existing users with an already set up Instagram account, you'll want to choose Log in to Instagram. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on this option as our example, assuming you want to integrate your pre-existing profile. Once you've selected the relevant option, click Continue. This step is crucial as it paves the way for selecting the correct Instagram account to be linked. Following that, you will see a prompt asking you to log in as your account. In this instance, something like paid advertising help. Make sure to select the correct account to avoid any mix-up, especially if you manage multiple pages or brands. After verifying everything is in order, hit continue. It's quite a simple process as it follows through the prompts, and you have nearly completed the task. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Instagram and Facebook accounts using the Meta Business Suite. This connection offers numerous benefits such as unified analytics, streamlined content posting, and much more, which makes handling your business's social media presence far simpler and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in easing you through the process. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.